Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe for the vibes.
Make sure you like, comment, share, turn on your notification bell so whenever we post a video of good food and laughter, you will receive it. Also, guys, give this video a thumbs up for this outside food me and babe is about to devour.
If you have nothing good to say, don't say anything. We're going to say grace. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the soul watches, who restoreth my soul. Amen.
Amen.
On the menu today, we are having lunch special. I have the curry chicken with rice and peas and vegetable.
And I got fried chicken, rice and peas and vegetable.
Okay. We are gonna, I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, had something wonderful to eat, and yeah, it's a new week.
Guys, no cap. I've been having the most shitty week.
It happens.
But I'm gonna smile through it anyway.
Mm-hmm. It's actually not that bad. I like the rice a lot. Okay, so the chicken is salt. Can you put that? Yeah, the chicken is salt. You wanna taste it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna just give you the chicken so you can taste it. The chicken by itself. Good?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't even taste it, yeah. It don't taste not like curry.
Mm-mm.
It tastes like water and chicken.
I'm salt.
Guys, no. And this is the reason why babe always cook.
Yeah, that's true.
We're the worst people to give a food critique
Mm-hmm.
because we're always cooking at home.
We're kind of the worst and the best at the same time,
Best
I
one.
think. Critique,
Why best?
because we're always cooking for ourselves. So when we taste somebody else's hand,
It's like, yo,
it's not, I mean, not all the time, but.
some restaurant food cook without love. There's no love.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, here, buy this, I hate you.
Mm-hmm. Just give me your money. I don't like that though.
But then I realized people taste about it anyway. You don't mess up because you will go in these restaurants and the line is so long.
Mm-mm-mm.
You'll be like, yo, I gotta be good.
Mm-hmm. But you know what? I remember one time, I think I went to the mall with Daddy when I was younger though, right? And he said to me that the store that you see most people go into, yeah, nothing good in there.
So we should have got out.
There are too many people in there. There's something wrong. But the rice though is good. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe because I'm a rice person.
Mm-hmm. I don't like nothing here. But I might eat it anyway.
The plantain, I'm not gonna eat.
Right, dry.
They're old. I need to tell. I don't know why restaurants do that. You can't serve somebody this. Look at this. You cannot serve somebody. You can't. Mm-mm.
Taste it, Charlie.
No, I'm not tasting that.
It's sweet.
Ruin my taste bud.
Mm-mm. Maybe it's sweet.
It's not sweet. I know plantain. Look at this. Look at this. Okay.
No, it's sweet.
Can you eat it though?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
But it's sweet and dry.
I'm not. You don't.
Well, I rather when you cook.
I rather when you cook too.
Because the thing is, you cook to what my taste bud is.
Yeah.
And I could eat it.
But you know, sometimes we need to step out of our taste bud and taste what everybody else is tasting, you know? But it's just that we never ever enjoy it.
Mm-mm. There's no enjoyment in this for me.
Yeah.
At all.
Now if I mix the chicken and the rice, it's not bad.
Well, I put extra gravy on this. Gravy dry out.
It did?
Mm.
Did you put a lot or did you put a lot or a little
A little bit.
Oh. So the rice is dry?
Yeah.
Ay.
Because you have curry, so
Oh, I know.
you have the gravy.
Mm-hmm. You want some of my gravy?
Fried chicken. It's not good without gravy.
I know, but you know what? You should have got the brown stew gravy.
God damn it.
Mm-hmm. That's what, no, yeah. But that's the
I
one that
just
you
don't-
normally get.
Mm-hmm.
The brown stew chicken gravy. Mm-hmm. You should
No,
have got
'cause
that one.
I thought the oxtail gravy would taste so good.
But no. Usually it does.
Mm-hmm.
With the fried chicken and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Which other gravy you like with fried chicken?
Oh, stew fish.
I
Brown stew fish.
like curry goat.
I forgot.
Mm-hmm.
I think you like everything curry.
I know. Yeah. Curry is my favorite. They say you shouldn't eat curry from any and anybody though.
Because not everybody know how to cook curry.
Mm-hmm.
It's a method to the
Yeah.
cooking of the curry.
Hello? Hello? Say it again. Yep.
And that is gonna run your belly.
Mm-hmm. You'll be sitting in the toilet for hours.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, guys, you ever be eating a food? Before you started eating it, you're so hungry. The smell of it is like, oh my God, I can't wait to eat this. And then you put it in your mouth,
Mm-hmm.
and you're instantly full.
I might finish all the rice in this one.
Because you have rice, but you have a lot of meat left. I dare you to finish all the meat.
I can't.
We're gonna call this meat salty curry chicken.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I agree. We tasted it and we know it is. Very much so. I forgot. Guys, I never go out and order vegetable.
Never.
And these are reasons why I never go out and order vegetables. These things.
I was surprised when she did. I was like, you order vegetable? Just to call attention to it. She's like, yeah, no. Females are so bitchy. Females are so bitchy.
I know.
Like as they started.
I was feeling like living on the edge today. So the salad was it?
The salad don't even taste good, Jay.
I know.
What
I
do you
just
make
took
it
a
with?
bite.
Cabbage?
Sugar
Sugar?
and a lot of
I
cabbage.
don't taste no sugar.
Really? Maybe.
No.
You got a different one from I did, because you got carrot. I really didn't. You got a different one from I did.
Jay, I barely eat nothing from this. Guys. But the price was right.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Excuse me. The price was right because it was for what,
$5.99. Around there.
So I agree. You said it to our taste.
Yeah. Yes. Very much so. Could have knocked $1 off of it too. Do you remember when lunch special was $3.99?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh.
That was back in the day.
Yeah, that was last year. I'm just saying.
I'm done.
You feel?
Right now, I'm wishing that I had some of your your cooked food right here.
Oh no.
So I could swap it out.
I don't know, I can't waste the meat. I got a lot of meat, I can't waste it.
The chef hand for this place here is heavy on the salt.
Yeah.
I think the chef only used salt to season the both chickens.
I see, so hot.
The same amount of salt I think he put. No. I think he put both chicken in the bucket, the fried chicken and the curd chicken.
Mix it all together?
Put mad salt on it. Just divide it. Put curry on that one and flour on the next. Because it's the same amount of salt.
I didn't taste the fried chicken.
So, the next moment, babe is definitely cooking for me. Because, hold on, baby. I'm gonna take out the skin.
No, I could eat it. Okay. This place is like...
Yo, no, that to the cake just now. Babe action alone tell you that she's dissatisfied. Babe took up the napkin, wipe her lip, I think, wrap it up and did like a thing like this. That reaction.
It's like as soon as you bit it, you taste the salt.
Yeah.
As soon as...
This one? Yeah. I don't even think ketchup could kill it. Because you know you ketchup with yeah, fried chicken.
Here's my question. Are restaurants on a mission to give people high blood pressure?
I think so.
Okay.
Diabetes.
Everything?
Yeah, look, because, babe, you know how much I love fried chicken.
I know.
I barely eat that.
You always get the fried chicken when you go, and if you don't get that, you get the fish.
Look at this old big piece of...
It's
Guys,
true.
tell me if you make curry so big. Let me show you here.
So I did just took the
Did you
chicken
cut
and
it
throw
up?
it in there.
Throw it like, yeah. Buy this.
I mean, I'm not gonna completely knock it. Because
Which
as
part of
I
it tastes
said,
good?
the rice for me
For you,
was good, and that was pretty much the only thing that I enjoyed from it. The chicken was too salt for me. The vegetable is not vegetable. I don't
What
know
is
what
it?
that is.
Maybe it's frozen vegetable.
They have those?
Frozen cabbage.
They have those, don't
No,
they?
I made that up. I'm
Okay.
not sure. We're gonna look for it though. Frozen
Alright,
cabbage.
cool. Alright, cool.
Because if they have everything else frozen,
Yeah, we
they
could
have
assume
some
that.
frozen cabbage.
Yeah, but
These restaurants, some of these restaurants, I'm not gonna say all, because some of
True.
these restaurants you have to bring your own seasoning,
Mhm.
your own hot sauce,
Everything.
just to give it a taste of you.
That's true. We would love to thank you so much for joining us today for this outdoor lunch special that we had. Can't say it was enjoyable, but we ate something and you joined us for it. If you made it this far, don't forget to like this video. If you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe for the vibes. And if you made it this far,
Don't buy this fried chicken.
if you made it this far, comment down below and let us know how you like our outdoor lunch special, curry chicken and fried chicken.
I tell you what, I don't like it at all.
I like the rice.
I
I'm not
ate
gonna
this
stop
much
saying
because
that.
I was sitting with you guys.
Yeah, I'm not gonna stop saying that. I like the rice.
Alright guys, until we meet you again, until we see you again, have a good time, have a fine time, have a jolly time. Hey guys, put laughter in your life. It will light it up.
Bye guys.